to 111 Mountain Creek Road, Buderim. Hello, I'm Sue Custance of McGrath, Buderim. I look forward to giving you a glimpse of this gorgeous home where perfection and practicality meet. This superbly crafted residence was completed as a forever home, and it really does show. It ticks all the boxes: 4 bedrooms, single level, a gorgeous kitchen, a dedicated office area, 2 living areas that flow to the alfresco, and a bush backdrop. It really does have it all. This is the home you've been searching for. Unpack, sit down, relax, and enjoy the convenient lifestyle this property offers. Just a walk to the local shopping centre or minutes to Mooloolaba Esplanade or beach. I look forward to showing you through. I know you won't be disappointed.